Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how the small efforts, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only hope we have got. Now, let me present you the birds and trainers that made this show possible. Trainer first, switch hands. Trainer Mikey with body. Trainer Vina with sexy. Trainer Ron, because we have a Basilan show. Thank you.